Every polyester fiber begins as American plastic waste.
Human sorting defines material purity.
Loose waste becomes solid resource. Transformation begins at the blade. Form is broken to rebuild.
Purity is enforced at the microscopic level.
Fiber is born.
Preparation ensures accuracy.
Human checks remain essential.
Environment shapes performance. Length defines application. Density is engineered.
Verification comes next. Verification comes next.
Every polyester fiber begins as American plastic waste.
Organization prepares the flow.
Material identity is confirmed.
Stability protects material quality.
Traceability follows every unit.
The journey moves forward.
And yeah, it may seem Friday, and that's cool.
Supply chains begin with motion. Industrial processing takes over.
Human sorting defines material purity.
Volume drives industrial recycling. Measurement turns waste into inventory. Material enters controlled systems. Machines multiply efficiency. Loose waste becomes solid resource. Preparation leads to transformation. Engines.
Flow replaces chaos.
Surface contamination is stripped away. Chemistry removes oils and residue. No residue is left behind. Cleaning prepares plastic for rebirth. Drying begins with gravity.
Each stage refines purity.
Motion enhances cleanliness.
Quality checks remain human. Et hinduithlaste responsornament.
Transformation begins at the blade. Form is broken to rebuild.
Moisture is eliminated. Cleanliness reaches specification.
Uniformity enables control.
Density decides material fate.
Clean material is ready to become fiber.
Impurities are removed.
Controlled feeding ensures stability.
Material advances under pressure. This is where material changes state.
Precision defines fiber geometry. Consistency is monitored continuously. Heat prepares plastic for flow.
Solid becomes fluid.
Purity is enforced at the microscopic level.
Fiber is born.
Structure is permanently set. Stretching builds durability. Strength begins with alignment.
Cooling locks the structure. Automation guards quality.
Production flows without interruption.
Raw fiber becomes a usable form. Cooling locks performance. The product takes final form. Speed meets precision. Uniformity is engineered.
Defects are detected instantly.
Preparation ensures accuracy.
Human checks remain essential.
Quality authorizes movement. Continuity never stops. Next transformation approaches. Stress is carefully released. Traceability follows every roll. Material moves under control. Stability is built into the fiber. Balance protects structure.
Uniform input creates uniform output.
Length is engineered.
Transcription. Continuous strands become usable fiber.
Material continues forward.
Output is constantly measured.
Verification never pauses.
Handling is improved.
Separation restores uniformity.
Texture is refined.
Consistency is balanced.
Structure is next.
Air replaces gravity.
Order begins from chaos.
Safety is built in. Precision begins with motion.
Environment shapes performance.
Length defines application. Individual fibers are freed.
Nothing is wasted. Alignment begins at speed.
Order replaces randomness.
Precision governs structure. Structure prepares to lock. Cooling locks the form.
Heat fuses the web.
Connections become permanent.
Strength is verified immediately.
A continuous sheet is formed.
The sheet prepares to become product.
Dimensions are controlled.
Uniformity is refined.
Mass gains integrity.
Strength is built through layering.
Maintenance happens in motion.
Algorithms protect consistency.
Automation hands over to refinement. The line advances. Systems think as one.
Safety is never optional.
Balance is constantly recalculated.
Every second is measured. Micron-level accuracy is enforced. Imperfections have nowhere to hide.
Machines correct themselves.
The system gives clearance. Efficiency drives sustainability. Every stage is digitally watched.
Errors are prevented before they happen.
Control extends beyond the line.
Measurements are exact. Uniformity is enforced. Labial indicatory unisemblys after is that well informed.
Volume is transformed.
Texture is restored. Mass conforms value. Moisture defines performance. Finishing begins with accuracy. Deviation is not allowed. Density is engineered.
Verification comes next. Verification comes next.
Identity is assigned. Finish meets standard. Form is secured. Protection is added. Finished form advances. Handling remains precise. Quality begins with inspection. The journey nears completion. The exterior tells a story. Testing starts with a sample. Moisture levels are controlled.
Purity meets standard. The lab confirms performance.
Heat tolerance is verified. Consistency is quantified. Strength is proven under load.
Data confirms compliance.
Certification adds trust. Approval travels with the product. Final clearance is given.
Every batch is traceable.
Transport protection is reinforced. Conditions protect quality. Space is maximized vertically. Storage begins with precision. Demand triggers movement. Shipments organize themselves. Digital records lock location.
Semi-top to his points at Brodunts.
Destinations are assigned. Systems continue beyond shipment. Logistics take over.
The road awaits.
Cargo is secured. Dolly secured. Safety travels with the load.
Klarhetsrøstene utnevnes. Forventet roll starter.
Paperwork clears the path. The product enters the supply chain.
And this is how modern factories produce polyester fiber from plastic bottles, from start to finish.